What's up, guys? Good to see you here on the Mr. Dig channel. If you're new here, I'm Ryan, and we're up at a landfill now in South Carolina. Looks like we've got double trouble. We got two bulldozers running. Looks like the guys are going ahead and prepping our drainage system on the side of the landfill. That looks like our buddy Brandon. He's in the Komatsu D65. It looks like maybe what he's doing, I'm not exactly sure what's going on here just yet, but looks like he's pushing material down into the actual retention pond where his brother Aaron is on the John Deere 650. So this is a project that we've been really needing to jump on and has needed attention for quite some time. We have to channel the water from both sides of the landfill. Maybe I'll fly the drone here in a little bit and show you guys. Both sides of the landfill have to feed into this retention pond, allow the solids to settle, and then discharge if necessary through a discharge pipe. We really shouldn't ever discharge though, because our soil is so sandy around here. Our percolation rate is really good, but in an extreme rain event, we do have a pipe in there where we can discharge clean water. So what we want to try to do around here in this whole section is get us a grass vegetative filter strip that'll clean the water before it gets down to the pond. Hopefully catch all these sands and silts that the rain may wash down, because we don't want it filling up our pond, but we do want things to settle out that make it there. But if we can get us some nice grass like right over here, all in this area, probably put a couple of check dams in here too, we can slow that water down and keep those solids from making it all the way to the pond. Now, I think I said John Deere 650 a while ago. I meant to say 750. So we just got the undercarriage redone on the D65, so she's back in really good shape. And of course, if y'all been watching the channel for any length of time, you know we've had the John Deere for, I guess, going on about 6 months now. And they've got the Volvo 290 down here. I'm assuming that's what they use to dig out the actual pond down here. Last year, I don't know if y'all saw the video or not, but this pond actually we had it breach. We had a big rain event. We hadn't maintained it like we were supposed to, and it broke the dam right there. Went under I-20, went onto our neighbor's property and gave us a little bit of a headache. So I'm really glad to see the guys over here getting this thing fixed up. It really needs to be done. Yeah, I can see now where they've had the excavator down in here. They probably dug out the muck and they're going to use that in their berm right here in the dam. Looks like we've done a little bit more clearing going up the side of the landfill too. But this is what we got down here, guys. Just an L-shaped retention pond to collect, again, from both sides of the landfill. the Floyd brothers they're working in tandem. They've got a massive wall of dirt being pushed with the John Deere and the Komatsu there. That's one way to move it. Good job, guys. That is a hellacious pile of material right there. Oh, it looks like the Komatsu's trying to outrun the deer. I heard Brandon have to get off the throttle a little bit. to put us in a new pipe because, well, I don't see the old one. We'll have to ask Aaron if he's even going to put one back in now that they're making this dam much higher. They can store a lot of water around here, but you know, I would love to see a pipe into here for those just in case moments when we do get a crap ton of rain. That way we can just scalp the clean water off the top versus having this thing blow out again. So we'll have to get with Aaron later and see what his plans are as far as putting another pipe in here. And here they come again, double teaming it. That's working out really, really well. Those boys are some good operators, man. To keep those bulldozers going at the same speed, that takes some talent. We are super lucky to have all the guys here at the landfill that we do, just really, really good operators. This is the perfect time to be making sure that this pond is in good shape and can handle the water because it's hurricane season. As y'all know, we just had Debbie roll through not too long ago, and it is now is getting the anticipated hurricane season of the year. So we want to make sure this thing is in good a shape as it can, just in case. Because I have gotten caught with my pants down before and say, oh yeah, we'll get to it, then you don't, then you do have a big rain event. Then you wind up with problems like we did last year. vegetation on this north slope of the landfill here, but we got some bare spots. Honestly, the coffee didn't grow stuff as near as well as I thought it might have. I'm sure it probably will in time as it breaks down, but maybe it was just a little too rich, because you can see the dark spots up there on the slope have zero grass on them. I think it was just still a little bit too hot. This is working out really well here with Brandon, the D65, pushing that good material down here. Aaron using the 750 to blade it out, make it look pretty. That way we can get grass on this whole slope of the pond too. And that'll help with the erosion big time. Get it, boys! Love seeing these dozers pushed together, man. That's just so cool. They work really well together, man. I tell you what, everybody here on the whole site, as y'all have commented in the videos, everybody's just fantastic people to work with and just get stuff done. Speaking of getting stuff done, next week we're going up to Rotochopper headquarters. Of course, I'm going to film that for you guys, the whole flight, everything we do up there, all the equipment. That's going to be an awesome one. So you might want to hit that notifications bell down there, let you know when we put out a new video. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It helps us out a lot. Drop us a comment, that'll help the video too. I appreciate all you guys' support and hope you're doing well, and I will see y'all on the next video.